Welcome to this video tutorial. This is Alshiana and Hazel. Today, we will discuss the main hardware components of the Samsung Galaxy 7 Duos 2016. Let's start with a brief explanation of each part of the phone. 1. LCD. The LCD, liquid crystal display, shows the phone's visuals, such as apps, videos, and notifications. 2. Mid-frame. The mid-frame holds and supports internal components, keeping them secure. 3. Mid-frame panel. This is an additional layer attached to the mid-frame to protect and align components. 4. Motherboard. The motherboard is the main circuit board, connecting all parts of the phone and making sure they work together. 5. Battery. The phone uses a 3000 mAh removable battery to provide power for all functions. 6. Back cover. The back cover protects the phone's internal components and gives it a neat appearance. 7. Front-facing camera. The front-facing camera is an 8MP sensor used for selfies and video calls. 8. Rear camera. The phone has a 13MP rear camera with a 5MP depth sensor for taking clear photos and portraits. 9. Home button. The home button is located on the front of the phone and includes a fingerprint sensor for unlocking. 10. Earpiece speaker. The earpiece speaker allows you to hear calls clearly. 11. Vibrator motor. The vibrator motor is responsible for vibrations, such as notifications or alerts. 12. Flex cable assembly. The flex cable assembly connects different components, such as the screen and buttons, ensuring smooth communication between parts. 13. Primary microphone. The primary microphone is used for recording sound and during phone calls. 14. Screwdrivers. These are tools needed to assemble or disassemble the phone's parts during repairs or maintenance. Let's go over the tools required for a safe and smooth process. First, the tweezers. Perfect for handling small components, wires, and screws. They give you the precision you need in tight spaces. Next, the Phillips screwdriver. A must-have for loosening or tightening screws in most gadgets. This tool is versatile and reliable for any repair job. Next is plastic pry tool. The plastic pry tool is used to gently open the phone's casing and separate components without scratching or damaging the delicate parts, such as the screen or frame. For delicate openings, the plastic opening pick is your go-to. Designed to avoid scratches, it's perfect for gently lifting screens or casings. And finally, the hairdryer. Ideal for softening adhesives, it makes opening glued parts safer and easier. The next part is the teardown process. Here's a step-by-step overview. Start by powering off the device. Carefully remove the back cover using your fingernail or a plastic pry tool. The Galaxy J7 Duos features a removable back, making this step simple. Next, take out the battery, SIM card, and microSD card. Always ensure the device is fully powered down before removing the battery. Using a Phillips screwdriver, remove all screws securing the mid-frame. Keep these screws organized for reassembly later. Three. Separate the mid-frame. Use a plastic pry tool to carefully separate the mid-frame from the display assembly. Be gentle to avoid breaking any clips. 4. Detach the flex cables. Disconnect the flex cables connecting the motherboard to the display, cameras, and other components. 5. Remove the motherboard. Carefully lift out the motherboard from the frame. as it contains most of the phone's essential parts like the processor, RAM, and storage. 6. Access other components. Remove other parts like the front-facing camera, rear camera, vibrator motor, and speaker as needed, using the pry tool and tweezers if required. 7. Heat the adhesive if applicable. Use a hairdryer to apply gentle heat around the screen or other glued areas to soften the adhesive for safe removal. This process should be done with patience and care to avoid damaging the phone's delicate components. Always handle each part gently and follow the steps in reverse for reassembly.
Thank you for watching this video tutorial. We hope you gained a better understanding of how the Samsung Galaxy 7 Duo's components work together and how advancements in smartphone technology continue to shape the way we use these devices. Remember, every part has its role in ensuring the phone functions